Greetings and welcome. Thanks for tuning in today. We have a heart exercise. It's a mix of pranayama and chanting together. Very simple to stimulate our heart center. So we feel more loving, more compassionate, and more connected with our heart's essence. Bringing the palms of the hands together, we'll tune in with Om Namo Gurudev Namo, honoring the divine wisdom within, the inner teacher. Hands here at heart center, prayer mudra, thumbs tucked into the sternum slightly, shoulders down and back, chin subtly tucked in, inward gaze elevated to the brow point. Inhale deep through the nose. Hold and lightly tense. Exhale. Inhale deep. Hold and lightly tense. Exhale. Inhale deep to tune in. Inhale deep through the nose. Hold the breath, placing the tongue on the roof of the mouth, shoulders down and back, opening the heart space. Exhale, relaxing the hands to the knees, staying inward. Calling forth your intention for this practice. It could be as simple as one word. Sitting here with a straight spine, in easy pose or a straight back chair. Hands in Gyan Mudra. Subtly tucking in the chin, closing the eyes, and elevating the inward gaze upwards to the brow point. Puckering the lips as if you're going to whistle. And inhale through the whistle mouth. And then we're going to exhale with a powerful sound called La. L-A. Long, long and drawn out. And what we want to inhale with a full breath, and then exhale long and drawn out. Puckering the lips. Inhale through the puckered lips. You may notice overtones. When you hear higher pitched sounds or overtones, concentrate on those. Continue on, inhaling through the whistle mouth. Keeping the eyes closed. Inhale deep through the nose. Exhale. Relaxing the breath. Observing the breath. Concentrating on your heart center. Thank you for practicing. When we open our heart, we open ourselves to the opportunities in life. We open ourselves to the beauty that is already here. We open ourselves to greater awareness of our own soul and the gifts that we have to give. When we close our heart, we close ourselves off to those opportunities in life, close ourselves off to the beauty in life, and we close ourselves off to a deeper connection with our soul. So opening our heart is really important, and it's something that you can do at any time you want. This is a very simple practice that I find a lot of value in when I feel like I'm not heart-centered and I'm too much in my head or too much somewhere else and I want to be in my heart. I'll just make a few minutes to do this breath and bring me right into my heart space. So I'd love to hear your experience. Comment down below, and we'll go ahead and close with a long Sat Nam. Just like we begin practice with a mantra, we'll complete it with one. We'll chant a long Sat Nam, bringing the palms of your hands together, generating some heat between the palms. Sat Nam means truth is my essence, acknowledging the true self, the real self. Hands together in prayer mudra, thumbs tucked into the sternum, shoulders down and back, chin subtly tucked in, inward gaze elevated to the brow point. Inhale deep through the nose. Hold. Exhale. Inhale deep. Hold and lightly tense. Exhale, dispersing the energy. Inhale deep for long and powerful with love. Sat Nam. Nam. Thank you for the opening heart. Thank you for the opening mind. Thank you for the divine love, wisdom, and infinite energy. And thank you for this opportunity to be here on this earth, and all the opportunities to learn, to grow, to awaken. And may we go forth, and may we be blessed, bright, happy, healthy, wealthy, whole, safe, and well. And may we remember who we are and our connection to all. Sat Nam. Thank you for tuning in. Drink some water, take some time, whatever you need to integrate, to rest. Thank you for practicing. Comment down below what you experienced. We love to hear your experiences that you have. And also remember to hit the subscribe and bell notification so you can be up to date on the new practice videos. Until next time, Sat Nam.